Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the session indicator by LuxAlgo. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is first log in with your account. Then select right here library and then we search here for sessions and we do enter. Then if you scroll down, you see here a lot of options, but we are interested in just the sessions. Where is it? Right here. So then what we're going to do is we select right here, see details, and then you will see right here an explanation about how the indicator works. Also, they have a video here, so if you want to know what the session indicator does, you can check out the video right here. But then we can use it on the right side for free for TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 and 5, or Think or Swim. But Think or Swim is not true because this one is coming soon. So we have the other 3 buttons where we can click on. I will show you how to do this for TradingView. So we select right here TradingView, get access. Here is a little instruction, but I already know how to do it. So we click on get access. Then we scroll down and select right here use on chart. And then you will find right here the chart. Now I remove the Elliott wave indicator. And now you see here the session indicator working on the chart for Bitcoin to Euro. So this is how you can use the session indicator by LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.